Hello everyone! Today I'll walk you through how to register on the Bitget crypto exchange, your first step into the world of crypto trading. I'll explain everything step by step so even beginners can follow along easily. Ready? Hit that like button. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the website. Click the link in the video description. It takes you to the official Bitget website. Only through this link and with the promo code FB33 will you unlock up to $8,000 in bonuses on your first deposit. Step 2. Choose your registration method. On the registration page, choose how you want to sign up, using your email address or phone number. Step 3. Create a password. Your password should be secure, at least 8 characters, ideally with numbers and special symbols. Make sure to write it down so you don't forget it. Step 4. Accept the terms. Tick the box next to I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. This is a standard step. You're confirming that you accept the platform's rules. Step 5. Create your account. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Step 6. Email confirmation. Check your inbox. Bitget will send you a 6-digit confirmation code. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. Copy the code, paste it on the Bitget site, and click Confirm. Done. Your account is now active. Welcome to Bitget. Why Bitget is a great platform? Founded in 2018, Bitget ranks among the top 10 exchanges by trading volume on CoinMarketCap. You can trade and withdraw funds without KYC, low fees across the board. P2P, 0%. Spot trading, 0.1%. Futures, from 0.06%. Ways to earn on Bitget. Spot trading, simple buying and selling of crypto. Futures, trade with leverage up to 125. Copy trading, automatically mirror the trades of professional traders. Trading bots, automate your strategy 24/7. Staking, earn passive income by locking your coins. BGB token, increases in value and gives you discounts and bonuses. Top-level security. Your assets are stored in cold wallets and all transactions are protected by multi-layer security system. By the way, check out the description. You'll find helpful links, bonus details, and guides to get started. Securing your Bitget account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. To keep your funds safe, it's essential to activate two-factor authentication. It's a simple and effective way to boost your account's security. How to set up 2FA. Click your profile avatar in the top right corner. Go to Settings or Account Management. Open the Security tab. Find two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator and click Enable. Download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Available on App Store and Google Play. Open the app and tap Plus to add a new account. A QR code will appear on Bitget. Scan it or enter the backup key manually. Be sure to save the key. You'll need it to recover access if you lose your phone. Enter the 6-digit code from the app on Bitget and click Confirm. While you're setting up security, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps YouTube recommend more useful content to you. Completing identity verification, KYC, on Bitget. Unlock more features. Want to raise your withdrawal limits and access all platform features? Then it's worth completing KYC verification. It's optional, but offers many benefits. How to complete KYC? Click the profile icon at the top of the screen. Go to Settings, then open the Verification or KYC section. Click Start. Choose your verification level. Enter your full name and date of birth. They must match your ID. Prepare your passport or driver's license. Take a clear photo of the document. Make sure the text is readable. Upload the image. Complete facial verification. Follow the instructions. For example, turn your head or blink. Click Submit and wait for the result. It usually takes up to 20 minutes. Without KYC, you can withdraw up to 20,000 USDT per day. After verification, the limit increases to 3 million USDT. If your photo isn't accepted, simply upload a new one or contact support. Funding your Bitget account, fast and simple. To begin trading, you'll need to top up your balance. Bitget offers several convenient methods. Let's walk through each one step by step. Method 1. Deposit via cryptocurrency. For example, USDT. Go to the wallet section, then click Deposit. Select USDT and choose the TRC20 network. Copy the Bitget wallet address displayed on the screen. Open another exchange or crypto wallet where you hold USDT. Paste the copied address into the send field. Enter the amount. Make sure you select TRC20. Using the wrong network may result in lost funds. Confirm the transfer. USDT usually arrives within 5 minutes. Method 2. Deposit via P2P trade. In the Bitget menu, select P2P trading. Click Buy and choose your local currency. Select a payment method, for example, bank card. Find a seller with a 90% plus rating and at least 400 successful trades. Enter the amount. The system will show how much USDT you'll receive. Click Buy and transfer the funds using the seller's payment details. After payment, click Payment Completed. Wait for confirmation. USDT will be credited to your account within a few minutes. Method 3. Deposit via online exchange, BestChange. Follow the link in the description to BestChange, a platform listing verified exchangers. On the left, choose how you'll pay. For example, card, bank transfer. On the right, select what you want to receive, USDT, TRC20. Find an exchanger with a good rate and solid reviews. Enter the amount and paste your Bitget wallet address. You can copy it from wallet, deposit, USDT, TRC20. Enter your contact info and payment details. Follow the exchanger's instructions to complete the payment. USDT will arrive in your Bitget account within 5-30 minutes. Done. Your balance is topped up. Now you're ready to buy crypto and start trading. Bitget bonuses. How to get up to $8,000 for signing up. If you register on Bitget using the referral link in the description and enter the promo code FB33, you'll unlock a bonus program designed to give you a strong start. Here's how it works. Deposit $1,500 into your futures account. Open a trade worth 500 USDT and close it. That gives you a $1,000 trading volume. You'll receive $60 in bonuses to your futures account. The more you deposit and trade, the bigger the bonus. You can earn up to $8,000 in total. When our bonus is credited, usually within a week, most often on Fridays. You can't withdraw the bonus directly, but you can use it for trading. And the profit you earn from those trades is yours to withdraw freely. Deposited less than $1,500? No worries. You can still take part in other promotions. 10% cashback in copy trading, launchpads, and token giveaways. A chance to get new coins for free. Withdrawing crypto from Bitget. Fast and reliable. Once you've made a profit or simply want to transfer funds, Bitget offers 2 easy withdrawal options. Method 1, transfer to another wallet or exchange. Go to the Assets section, then Open Wallet. Click Withdraw. Choose your currency, for example USDT, and select the TRC20 network. Fast and low fees. Copy the recipient address. This could be another exchange or a cold wallet like Trust Wallet. Enter the withdrawal amount. Confirm the transaction. Enter the Google Authenticator 2FA code. Enter the confirmation code sent to your email. Click Confirm. Funds will arrive within 5 to 10 minutes. Method 2, via online exchange. Follow the link in the description to BestChange, a platform listing trusted exchanges. Select what you're sending, for example USDT TRC20, and what you want to receive. Find an exchanger with a good rate and solid reviews. Enter the amount, paste your Bitget wallet address, and follow the instructions. Send the crypto and receive the money to your card or chosen method. Bitget is more than just buying and selling crypto. It's a full-featured platform for earning. Here's what it offers. Copy trading. Choose a professional trader and automatically mirror their trades. They earn a percentage, you save time. Trading bots, automated assistants that buy low and sell high. Set it up once and let it run. Staking, lock your coins, for example USDT or BTC, and earn stable passive income. Launchpad and Launchpool, join token launches. Buy at low prices or earn new tokens for free. Candy Bomb and PoolX, complete simple tasks and receive free crypto rewards. We cover all these features in detail in other videos on the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out. We've covered the full journey. Registered in just a few minutes. Activated bonuses with promo code FB33. Secured the account with 2-factor authentication. Funded the balance easily. Bought Bitcoin. Learned how to withdraw funds. Overall, Bitget is a modern crypto exchange with an intuitive interface, low fees, and a wide range of tools for trading, investing, and passive income. Don't forget, when signing up, use promo code FB33. It unlocks bonuses on your first deposit and gives you a great advantage from the start. If this guide was helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. May your trades be profitable. See you in the next one.